What is up, you guys? It's your favorite tarot reader, and I am back, except for I'm not back with another read. I am back with a vlog, okay? So, I'm sipping a little bit of wine. I'm about to make some chicken. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me make some chicken. And for my vlogmases, they won't be like other people's where it's like the whole day. It'll just be me pretty much showing y'all like one portion of my day, because like I told y'all, I don't know how to edit videos, okay? So, let me go ahead and show y'all. I'm making fried chicken. I have my flour in a bag, and this is what your flour should look like. It should be a little orange. That's how you know it's seasoned enough. I put an egg and a little bit of ranch up in there. So that's what it looks like. I already washed my hands. So first thing you want to do is go like this to your chicken, like that, and make it a wing. Like make it, like, you know. Alright, y'all, so today's topic of today's video is going to be getting over a breakup, how I'm doing it, what I'm doing, and all that kind of stuff, okay? So, I like my chicken pretty braid, okay? So this how I should look. Just like an even coat of flour, not too much, not too little. And I have a deep fryer, so I'm just gonna pop them bad babies in, and I'm making 2 at a time, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so I spilled plenty of wine on the floor, y'all. Plenty of wine on the floor. Okay. So, y'all, let's have a conversation. Hold on. Hey, y'all. I'm drunk. I'm not drunk. I'm tipsy. Well, I just kind of finished this whole little thing just because I'm like, today is going to be my last day drinking, hopefully. Okay, y'all. So, I know y'all probably tired of me talking about, let me see. So y'all probably tired of me like talking about the same thing over and over and over. Relationships, love, stuff like that. But I want to be a relationship life coach. So, I mean, it's just part of my mission that I talk about it. But I feel like the reason why it takes so many people so long to get over a breakup is because they try not to think about it. They try not to think about the person. They try not to think about the memories, or, you know, my eye looks lazy as a bitch. But, I feel like people just try not to think about somebody that they lost or somebody that they're not with no more and stuff like that. And for me, y'all know I'm manifesting a husband, and I just been thinking about my life so heavy, and it's kind of like I feel like every relationship that I've been in, it's been to teach me something. And like, I used to be that same girl trying not to think about the nigga or trying not to think about the situation and shit. But honestly, it's kind of important to think about that shit. It's important to think about why shit went wrong, you know, like what you could do better, what you could look for, what red flags you missed, shit like that. And as y'all know, I was working with the nigga that I was dating, so it's even harder for me because for a while I was seeing him. A lot of people don't realize, but you have to remove yourself from the situation. Like, you have to remove yourself from the situation, because if you don't, I don't know how this is gonna work, because y'all probably can't even hear me, but I don't know, like, I feel like I've been thinking about this dude like a lot, and I had a dream that like him and a girl that he dated got married, and y'all know the dream world is the real world, okay? And I feel like I was forcing something to be, and I feel like a lot of women hurt their own feelings by doing that, kind of like. So with this breakup, I'm trying to like do things differently and like take it differently and think about it differently. And you know, it's not even a real breakup because we were never together, but that doesn't mean that my feelings were not valid, you know? So for me, as much as I try not to think about it, I feel like it just be on my mind so fucking heavy, because for a while I kept asking myself, like, what the fuck, like I look better than this girl, to me, you know, because everybody sees different, but I look better. Like, matter of fact, we're not even gonna talk about that. Spiritually, mentally, I'm just in a different position. And for a long time, I was like blaming myself, asking myself, like, Reese, what the fuck are you doing wrong? Like, why are you not in a relationship? Why are men not committing to you, etc., etc.? And then over time, like, taking that time to really think about the shit that people usually don't take the time to think about, it kind of just helped me realize that I did this to myself, like, and like many women do. Like, I feel like we plan our whole future out with a person that we barely know, a person that we had sex with too soon. And when you do that, I feel like your judgment is very clouded, because it's kind of like when you make that intimate step, I feel like all you thinking about is, okay, this nigga fucked me, now he gotta marry me. Like, now this nigga gotta be with me type shit. And a lot of times, people are not mentally prepared for relationships, for commitment, you know, like anything like that. And I feel like sometimes we hurt ourselves by expecting men who are not ready to be ready. And for a long time, I felt like I was blaming him, like, well, you didn't want to be with me, and you chose somebody else, and you did this, and you did this. But really, like, what the fuck? Like, you was constantly showing me who the fuck you was, and it was me that did not listen, like, type shit. I don't know. It be hard. Like, it's hard. But I feel like as a woman, like, going through this shit, I'm literally learning so much about myself and about my own journey and about the shit that I need to heal and fix within myself. I'm a very codependent person. Like, as independent as I am, I do feel like sometimes I rely on my partner to, like, give me reassurance or make me feel good or be there for me. And really, in a relationship, it should only be an addition to your life. Like, it shouldn't be your whole life. It shouldn't be, you know, like, you shouldn't be relying on that person to provide things for you. And I feel like because I met him and he was the only person who I had ever talked to about my mental disorder, about my DID, about my spirituality, like, about my childhood trauma, about me being molested and shit like that. Like, he really the only person I really opened up to about that. And so I feel like I forced it. Like, it was kind of like, okay, this is different. This is somebody you can talk to about your problems. This is somebody you can talk to about you, like, about you. And to me, I took that as, instead of just a friendship, I took that as, okay, well, maybe this man is my man. You know, and I feel like a lot of us women do that. Like, we find somebody who have good qualities and we make them ours in our mind, like mentally, ASAP. Not realizing that we technically really don't even know this person. Like, for real, for real. But yeah, so I don't know, like, yeah, it's 10 o'clock. But yeah, y'all, I'm chilling. I'm finna go ahead and run me a bath, actually. But yeah, y'all, I want to get back into dancing so bad, y'all. Like, I absolutely love it. I feel like I'm in the mood to dance. Like, I'm just a little bit tipsy. Hold on. Y'all, I used to do ballet and stuff. I used to be a real dancer, y'all. Okay, y'all. But for real though, I'm making some chicken. I'm chilling. I'm gonna run me a bath. Matter of fact, y'all, I'm gonna run me a bath. I already washed out the tub. Kamaya is sleeping. I'm a little out of breath. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and run me a bath so that after I make this chicken, I can get in the bath, relax my body. I don't gotta be smelling like chicken shit. Oh, hold on. Let me show y'all what I'm putting in my bath today. Okay. So today I will be putting in this my skin. So I'm gonna let that go ahead and run. Check on my chicken. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. They did, and that's how it should be looking. Nice and crispy and good, honey. Y'all, happy Vlogmas, happy holidays, y'all. This was supposed to be a whole video about some shit, but I done got a little bit drunk.